This is King Crunch. I'm not sure who made it. It's one of the 4 challenge locks that Lady Lock sent me. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use a 1.3 millimeter multi-pick top of the keyway tensioner, and I'm going to use the multi-pick deep hook in 23 thousandths. So that's me slipping off the pin. Not set yet. There we go. So that was 1. 2, but I dropped 1. Yeah, I did. I dropped 1, 2. So 3. Might have been 4. And 5. Did I drop something? And there's 1 again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I just had to lift 6 up. So it does the same thing that most Avises do. It's a juggling act and it likes to drop pins. But that's King Crunch.